for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, this class is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because in this class I'm just going to tell you what. Look at. Why do most people find English difficult? Then guys, what is today's topic? Why do most students or why do most people find English very difficult? So this is the biggest question and everybody wants answer of this question. If you want to answer of this question, so this video is only for you. So please watch the video till the end and I will tell you answer of this question. Okay, so let's move on answer. So question you understood. I hope you must have understood question. Now I'm just telling you answer. What is the first reason people think English is very difficult? The first reason, not habitual of speaking. You know, most people are not habitual of speaking in English. That's why they find English is too difficult to learn. But it is not so. What is the reason? Reason is that they are not speaking in English. That's why they are not being able to speak. So the first reason is this. The first and foremost reason is this: people are not habitual of speaking in English. That's the reason they find English very difficult. But English is the easiest language of the world. Okay, you can ask native English speakers. If you know English, so you can ask native English speaker. They will also answer you that English is the easiest language of the world. But you need to take step. You need to take step. You need to start speaking only. Then you will find English is the easiest. It is not a difficult language. So first reason is this: people think English is too difficult to learn because they are not habitual of speaking. So I would like to advise, if you want to speak in English, so please try to speak in English. Okay, not try to read, write and listen only, but you should try to speak in English. You know, like I have seen many people, they can write English, they can read English, okay, and they can listen and understand. But when it comes to speaking, they give up. That's why they find English is too difficult to learn. Okay, until or unless you start speaking, so how can it be possible to speak in English? You know, every action has an opposite reaction. Okay, as we know, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So I mean to say, if you start speaking in English, then only it will come out to speak in English. Are you getting? So this is the biggest reason. People are not habitual of speaking English. So they think English is too difficult to learn. But it is not so. Now let's move on second reason. What is the second reason? Fear of insult. You know, most people fear of insult. That's why they abandon to speak in English. They stop speaking in English. I have met so many people. Actually, I meet every day because I am an English teacher. So many students come to me. And they have a keen desire to speak in English. But what is the problem? Why they find English is too difficult? You know, because due to this reason, fear of insult. Like mostly people think that if we speak in English, so other people will insult us. You know, it is the psychology. They have made their psychology. If we speak in English, so mostly people or most of people will insult us. So you know what is insult? I don't understand what is insult. If Modi ji can sell tea, if the Prime Minister of India can sell tea, as you know, Modi ji was a tea vendor. Modi ji was a tea vendor. So was there any insult? If the Prime Minister of India can sell tea and you are feeling insult in speaking, so I mean to say there should not be any kind of insult while working hard. If you are feeling insult, you have fear of insult while speaking, so it is your blunder. Are you getting? It is not only mistake, it is your blunder. So you should not think. I can show you a lot of people. They have good information. They have wisdom of English. Okay, they can think in English, but when it's come to speaking, so they think if I speak, so other people will insult me. Okay, so I mean to say, as I have given you example, the Prime Minister of India, he could have sold tea at a station, in Gujarat. So what about us? We should not feel insult, and we should not have fear of insulting while speaking in English, because everybody commit mistake. I have told jillion time. I have told this statement plenty of time in my videos. Okay. So the second reason why people think English is too difficult to learn, fear of insult. Now let's move on. Third reason, due to grammar of English. Most people think that English grammar is too difficult. So I want to ask you, do you think Hindi grammar is easy? If I tell you, if I compare between Hindi and English grammar, so Hindi grammar is more difficult than English. But we speak Hindi or not? Yet we speak in English. So I mean to say, don't learn English as a grammar. Don't learn English as a grammar because you want to speak English. So learn English as a language. Okay. Little bit basic information of grammar is compulsory. I can understand basic knowledge of grammar is essential. But if you tell me, sir, we want to learn fully grammar, so I think there is no any teacher who knows fully grammar of English. Okay. Yet they speak good and they can also teach good. Okay, are you getting? So don't go for grammar section. Don't go for grammar section. So most people think that English grammar is too difficult. So due to this, they think English is too difficult. Are you getting my point? Isn't it? So these are the three reasons which people think. Most people think English is too difficult to learn. Okay. So guys, as we know, everything is possible in the world. As we all know, everything is possible in the world because impossible world. Impossible. Impossible. So impossible word says itself, I'm possible. If we divide impossible word, so it says itself, I'm possible. So why is English not possible? English is also possible. Okay. As I keep on telling, English is not a rocket science. English is not a medical science. It is just a language. So learn it as a language. And don't think English is too difficult to learn. So that's all for today's class. And guys, I hope you must have enjoyed this class and you like my videos. So please like, share and subscribe and do comment. Do comment in comment box from which I can understand what kind of videos do you want from me. So guys, that's it for today. Jai Hind.